Hello out there, all you math contest writers, you eager mathematicians. We're going to take a look at another brand new contest. Well, not so much brand new, it's kind of old at this point, but we're going to be looking at the 2003 Pascal competition. So that's the grade 9 level multiple choice competition put out by the University of Waterloo. And because it's 2003, I feel like I should make a little bit of an announcement. In 2003, there's actually more than one grade 9 competition. There's more than one grade 9, grade 10, and grade 11 competition. So the year before, they had what was known as a competition called the Descartes. But it finally wrapped up. They stopped producing it in 2002. And it was a written contest, much like the Euclid, if you've tried one of those. But they said, well, the only written competition we've got left is the Euclid. We need some other competitions to fill the void and to help prepare people for the Euclid, because the Euclid's kind of a big, important competition. You can get scholarships from it. So they decided, well, we're going to introduce these three shorter but still written solution required competitions, and they're going to be called the Friar, which is the grade 9 level competition, the Galois, which is the grade 10 level competition, and the Hypatia, which is the grade 11 competition. So there's more than one grade 9 competition for 2003 onwards, but the Pascal remains the only multiple choice competition. You can take a look. I will be putting up videos for the Friar, starting with 2003, and you can take a look at those, but they're written solutions as opposed to just multiple choice answers. So some of the strategies are a little different, and I just thought I'd let you guys know that those contests are available too. So taking a look again at the Pascal competition, if you're joining us for the first time, multiple choice, there's 25 questions in the whole competition. There's the last one here. So 25 questions overall. Each question has 5 multiple choice answers, and we're going to be going video by video, question by question. So we're just going to take a look at question number 1 right now. So question number 1, usually the first couple questions are just calculation questions, or if it's the Cayley or Fermat, which are the grade 10 and grade 11 competitions, you might have a little bit of algebra sneaking in. But, you can get that on the Pascal as well. Anyway, question number 1. Square root of 169 minus the square root of 25 equals... So this is a great one where you can just grab your calculator, because calculators are permitted in this competition, and you can work it out by calculator. Or if you're really familiar with your squares, you might notice that 169 is a square and 25 is a square. And that's what we're going to do. So 169 minus the square root of 25. And I might realize, well, hey, 169 is 13 squared. And 25 is 5 squared. Well, square root was designed to cancel out square. So really what they're asking me is, when the dust settles, what's 13 minus 5? And that is pretty simple to answer. We get an 8. And that's, wouldn't you know, the answer to 1 is the very first answer. It's A. So that's question number 1. We're going to move on to question number 2 in the next video. If you'd like a copy of this contest, by all means, click the link in the description. You can get a whole bunch of competitions, including this 2003 Pascal. Try the questions for yourself, and I'll meet you in the next video for question number 2.